Oh, hi! Aryx's ringtone on my phone. You gotta hear this. It's my shit. It's my shit. Hold on. I have to wait for my shit. My shit is epic. Alright. There you go. Well, that's it. I just wanted to jam out to that, kind of express my feelings for her and my ringtone, my super epic amazing ringtone. Your sex is on fire. I wouldn't know. That sounds like an issue if your sex is on fire. Pretty sure she doesn't have an STD. Good! Let's keep that way. I love you, Aryx. Bye-bye.